All right, so let's build these axles. We got our kit. This is from Subadave, and these are the splines that we're going to need to make this happen. So, or the races, I guess is a better way to put it. So we'll start with this guy. And clean out all the old grease. We're going to town.
Cracks and stuff. Okay, let me, I'm gonna look for that thing in the house.
Alright.
You cold? Want me to close the door?
No, I'm good. Alright. There's the snap ring. This guy should pop right. Oh. Should come right out. I'll give him a little love. A little socket here. Man, tight fit. All right. Boy, definitely a size difference. I don't know if you can tell on there or not, but look how much bigger the race is for this thing. It's crazy. So we'll slide this on. Oh, beautiful. And Subadave. It's a nice fit. This is the old R160, and did a couple things here. So first off, these shorter studs were in the version 7 STI, and the subframe needs these elongated studs. So pulled those out, put those in. Got the mount in, some white line bushings there, little, I guess, differential guard, I guess is what that is. But either way, the most important part here is we have our hybrid axles. So here is the tone ring that's going to make the ABS and the knuckle and everything work there. And then it was Subadave. He offered us the races that fit the R180 outers to fit the STI or the regular 22 spline WRX axles here, the R160 axles. So we're good to go there. Both sides ready to go. And then as soon as I get the the backing plates, when I get the backing plates all squared away, and they'll accept the Brembos, they'll fit the existing knuckles, and we'll get the Brembos, the STI e-brake with the R180, and it's going to be pretty sweet.